Have you ever pondered the significance of religious freedom? It's a subject that resonates deeply across the globe, influencing cultures, societies, and individual lives. Let's think about a country, a vibrant and diverse land where people of different religions coexist in harmony. This land is not a utopia, but a reality known as India, a secular nation that guarantees religious freedom to all its citizens. Article 25 of India's constitution embodies the heart of this freedom. It safeguards every citizen's freedom of conscience, allowing them to profess, practice, and propagate their religion. However, these freedoms are not absolute. They are subject to public order, health, and morality. The state, under this article, can also make laws that regulate secular activities associated with religious practices. For instance, it can pass laws for social welfare and reform, or for opening up Hindu religious institutions to all sections and classes of Hindus. Interestingly, in this context, Hindus are construed as including people professing the Sikh, Jaina, or Buddhist religions. And speaking of Sikhs, the wearing and carrying of the kirpan, a ceremonial sword, is recognized as part of the Sikh religion. But the freedom doesn't stop there. Article 26 further grants every religious denomination the right to manage its own religious affairs. This includes the right to form and maintain institutions for religious and charitable intents, and the right to acquire and administer property. The state also ensures that no citizen is forced to financially support a religion they don't belong to. This is embodied in Article 27, which forbids any tax whose proceeds are used for the promotion or maintenance of any particular religion. Article 28, on the other hand, provides freedom concerning religious instruction in educational institutions. It states that no religious instruction shall be provided in state-run educational institutions. However, institutions established under any endowment or trust which requires religious instruction are exempt from this rule. This commitment to religious freedom and secularism is deeply ingrained in Indian culture and democracy. Secularism, in this context, means the separation of religion from the government and other aspects of life, but it also implies equal respect for all religions and faiths. This concept of secularism is part of the basic structure of the Indian Constitution, added by the 42nd Amendment. It reflects the inherent acceptance and respect for diversity that has been part of the Indian ethos for centuries. So, to recap, India's commitment to religious freedom is reflected in its constitutional provisions that guarantee freedom of conscience, regulate secular activities associated with religious practices, protect religious groups' rights to manage their own affairs, and ensure no citizen is forced to financially support a religion they don't belong to. All of these are underpinned by the principle of secularism, which ensures equal respect for all religions and faiths. Religious freedom is not just about the ability to worship, but also the freedom to live out one's faith in everyday life. It is a testament to the diversity and pluralism that form the bedrock of any democratic society. And as we've seen, it's a principle that India holds dear. So the next time you think about religious freedom, remember India's commitment to uphold it, and consider what it means for the individuals and communities who benefit from this fundamental right.